In 2028, Renault launches the RH13 petrol engine. A 4-cylinder 1,333 cubic centimeter commercially called TCe 1.3. It is manufactured by the Renault-Nissan Alliance, together with Mercedes in Spain, Germany, the United Kingdom, and China. From 2023, its manufacture will be in the hands of the Renault Group company Horse. Its development took 4 years of study, 40,000 hours on test benches, and 300,000 kilometers traveled in the 4th-generation Renault Scenic. Depending on the vehicle and the country, we can find power from 115 to 170 horsepower. The engine has continued to evolve. Since 2020, mild hybrid technology is incorporated. The alternator is replaced by an alternator starter. In addition to charging the battery, it also works as an electric motor. For starts with the start-stop function, and to give a little push during starts and during accelerations. The alternator starter is powered by a small 13-volt lithium battery, offering faster starts during the start-stop function and the lower consumption. This engine has also been adapted to run both gasoline as well as ethanol. The system automatically detects which fuel is being used. This is the version Flex Fuel. With a higher octane rating, its power increases from 160 to 170 horsepower. This engine is available depending on the country, although its largest market is Brazil. This engine can be coupled to 6-speed manual gearbox, to an automatic gearbox 7-speed dual clutch, and to a variable automatic gearbox 8-speed. The HR13 engine is an evolution of the HR12 engine. With new technologies, this small engine improved by increasing its power and reducing its emissions and consumption. Combustion is improved thanks to the increase in injection pressure, a central direct injection, and electronically controlled turbo. Friction reduction in the cylinders is improved, and the distribution, thanks to the use of new materials and the use of new lubricating oil, with Renault specification and standard. And the thermal efficiency is improved, thanks to the shape of the cylinder head, with cylinders with thinner liners, and the improvement of cooling management. Next, we will see in more detail the technology used in this engine. Variable and electric distribution in the intake and exhaust. That favors the optimal filling of the cylinders. In the upper part of the engine, friction is minimized using hydraulic tappets or pushrods with roller arms and diamond-type carbon cams. The timing chain is improved using low-friction materials. The cylinders have plasma coating. It uses bore spray coating technology, which consist of spraying and coating a thin layer of steel the cylinder's walls. This technique was previously only used in Formula 1. It reduces friction between the piston and the cylinder. The treatment makes the surface as smooth as a mirror, which also improves performance and fuel consumption. Combustion is improved, with direct fuel injection in the center of the cylinder head chamber. Injection pressure is increased to 250 bars, and it is sprayed through 6 outlet holes of the injector. Weight is reduced and space is gained in the engine with the triangulate cylinder head. This is the so-called delta cylinder head. exhaust manifold integrated into the turbo. It promotes the release of gases and increases thermal efficiency. The turbo has a fixed geometry turbine. It regulates the pressure by exhaust gas discharge. The wastegate valve is controlled by electronic control. Thermal efficiency is improved with greater control of the engine and turbo cooling. The thermostat is controlled by the injection. It can open before reaching its operating temperature. Currently, the HR13 engine, due to its performance, power and efficiency, is the brand's flagship petrol engine. It is installed in the entire mid and high-end Renault and Dacia range. It is also installed in the brands of the Nissan and Mitsubishi alliance, as well as in the collaborating brand Mercedes.